17. If you're traveling to Los Angeles tonight, gate C29. Orlando is gate C20. Phoenix is C9. Salt Lake City is gate C18. And if you're traveling to Seattle, that's gate C36. Again, check baggage, carousel number 8. We're arriving at gate C31. Thank you. JetBlue welcomes you to Boston's Logan International Airport, where the current local time is approximately 6:55 p.m. For your safety and for the safety of those around you, remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. The seatbelt sign turning off will be your one and only indication that it's safe to release your seatbelt and get up from your seat. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. If you have a pink receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up those items outside of the forward boarding door. If you requested assistance off the aircraft, such as a wheelchair, we ask that you remain comfortably seated once we have arrived at the gate so that we may better assist you. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check the airport monitors, download our free JetBlue mobile app, and there will also be a uniformed JetBlue crew member meeting this flight. Please be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our TrueBlue loyalty program, where you can earn points on all of your flights, starting with today's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue Airways, especially this Boston-based flight crew,
Senhores passageiros, sejam bem-vindos à região autónoma dos Açores. Acabamos de aterrar no aeroporto João Paulo II em Ponta Delgada. Pedimos que permaneçam sentados com os cintos de segurança apertados até que o respectivo sinal seja desligado. Queiram verificar que levam convosco toda a bagagem de mão. Recordamos uma vez mais que não é permitido fumar. Chamamos a atenção aos passageiros em transferência para as ilhas de São Jorge, Graciosa, Tico, Faial, Flores ou Corvo, que para cumprimento das normas alfandegárias devem recolher na passadeira toda a sua bagagem e voltar a efetuar o despacho no balcão de check-in. Os passageiros em trânsito para o continente devem desembarcar com toda a bagagem de mão. Para qualquer esclarecimento, favor contatar os nossos serviços de terra. Desejamos que a viagem vos tenha agradado e esperamos vê-los no voo a bordo da Azores Airlines. Bom dia e obrigada. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Azores. We have just landed at João Paulo II Airport in Ponta Delgada. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the sign is turned off. We remind that smoking is not allowed. Please ensure you have all your hand luggage. Passengers in transit to other islands than São Miguel, in order to fulfill with the customs regulations, must collect all your luggage in the carousel and deliver it to the check-in counter. Passengers in transit to the mainland must disembark with all your hand luggage. For further information, please contact our ground staff. We look forward to see you again in the near future aboard the Azores Airlines.